Hello, I'm Bradshaw and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an installation of this Shinko E705 tire on a KLR rear wheel. You can see that it is pretty worn down. John says he has about probably 3,500 miles on this tire. This over here is the brand new one that we put on. Quite a lot of tread as compared to what we took off. Now this is going to be a tubed application as that KLR comes with spoked rims. Now here in the upcoming weeks I'm going to be replacing the tires here on the 1190. We're going to go with the Dunlop Rally Raid on the rear and the E91 in the front. That's going to be a tubeless installation, so tune back in for that video. We're going to show you that step-by-step process. For this installation, I'm going to be going pretty simple. I'm going to be using most of the tools that you'll be able to carry with you in your backpack out on the trail. That way this video really serves as a what you need before you get out there on your bike into the wilderness by yourself and need to do a tire repair. Now the key tools that I have here on the table that I carry with me all the time are going to be the bead breaker and tire irons. Absolute necessity, as these Bead Pros are going to be a bead breaker as well. So it's going to sit down in between the rim of the tire. It's going to go in and pop the bead. I'll show just exactly how those work here in just a little bit as we get that wheel up here on the table. 12mm wrench to loosen and remove the nuts that are on the valve stem. Now at home here in the garage, I have this monster tire iron. This I purchased when I was installing Elite 3 tires on my Goldwing and the K60 Scout Hide Now on my BMW. Those tires were ridiculous, and this huge tire iron was a huge help. These are blocks that I carry with me in order to be able to keep the tire into the drop center. That makes the installation super simple. Now on the trail I carry with me this slime pump. So this here is the Slime Micro Tire Pump Kit. But the thing that I like about this particular kit is it is functioned by a battery tender lead. So this guy right here, it's a great little pump. It's very inexpensive and it's got me out of lots and lots of sticky situations. Here in the garage we have an air compressor behind us, and that's probably what we're going to be used for the installation of, or the inflation I should say, of the tire that we're going to be installing today. And then this is the AccuGauge that I use to watch how much air is going into the tire as I'm doing the installation. And of course lubrication. Lubrication is key to facilitate the ease of getting these tires on and off the rim. And then we have the balance stand here. This is a very simple balance stand. You can see that we have ball bearings here on either side, and this just rolls nice and smooth, and that's going to allow us to get perfect balance of the wheel once we get the tire installed. Now when I'm on the trail, oh shoot. Now also when I'm out there on the trail, I take my full-on tool kit with me. This has all of the sockets, all of the wrenches, Allen heads, torques, pliers, knife, all that stuff. This is what I carry with me when I'm out on the road or the trail. And that's about all I have for you right now. Let's get the wheel up here on the table and get this process started. Step 1 is going to remove the valve core down here inside the tube. You guys gonna help me today?
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. All right, this is gonna be fun. All right, so that's gonna let all our air out. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna squirt some lubrication. Do you want to squirt? We're gonna squirt right here around the edge. Good job, right here in this crack. Good job, nice work. A little overspray never hurt anybody, huh?
Let me try that.
You wanna try? Okay, squirt, squirt.
Squirt, squirt.
Nice work. Basically, you just want to get lubrication down in between the wheel right here and the tire. Okay, next step. Bead Pro from Motion Pro. These things are amazing. I'm going to take this guy, stick him down in the wheel like so, and then this guy, I'm going to push and break the bead.
What's this?
So let's not touch the camera or the tripod, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Now, here's the go. Should I cut a little?
I love it.
Smell the marshmallow.
Okay, let's let it go by itself, okay? Okay, we're never gonna get there, lady. Okay, let's let it stop. Let's watch it stop. Maybe pretty darn good because it wasn't moving much. That's almost no movement there. So we'll go a quarter. Let go, please. Let go. Hey, let go, please.
I'm gonna bend it.
No, no, hold on.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's one way to go that way.
I don't know.
No more touching the camera, okay? Let's back up. Let's come back over here. Hey, you! Over here!
Pin, pin.
Okay, clamp that off after we're done. So now you just take that and go 45 degrees. Hey.
Harper,
You're such a good help.
stop touching it.
You're such a good help. The point's to let it stop. Now see where it stops at. Okay, come here. That's so blurry. Come here. Let's see where it stops at. This way. And yeah, guys, I'm Bradshaw. Thanks for joining. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this, hit that subscribe button. Hey, Baron, say hello.
Hello. Thank you, Patreon, for your support.
That's right. Thank you to all the Patreons who support the channel and those of you who have sent PayPal donations. Really appreciate it. It helps us keep the channel going. Say, all right, guys, take care and put your hand on there. All right, that's all I have for you today. Please take care and ride safe.